This is a piano tutorial on the very popular Beatles song, Can't Buy Me Love. It's a little bit above the absolute beginner level, but not that hard. There are 3 minor chords and 3 seventh chords in the song, so a total of 6 chords. First thing I'm going to do is show you the melody, and I'm going to divide this up into 2 sections. One is the chorus. The nice thing about the chorus is the melody notes on the chorus are all from the C chord. Can't buy me love, love, can't buy me love. Very simple. All the notes are from the C chord there. And then the next section is the verse. And this one's got a couple of black keys you got to watch out for. There's an E flat and there's also a B flat note. And it starts on the C and goes up to the G there. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend. And then at that section, what I do is I lift up my hand and I play that a B flat with my second finger. So I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it'll make you feel alright. Then it repeats that. I'll get you anything, my friend, it'll make you feel alright. Then another section, it goes up to the G again. They're too much for money, money can't buy me love. So that's the chorus, the melody for the chorus and the verse. Let's take a look at the chords here. There's an E minor chord, which you're going to do in your left hand, E, G, and B flat, or B. Now for the next chord, the A minor chord, just to keep you from bumping into your melody so much, I want you to play it like this. E on the bottom, and then A, and the C like that. So it's can't buy me love, love, can't buy me love. And at that point it goes to a D minor chord, D, F, and A. And then for the it's on the as the melody note is being held out there on the word love, it goes to a G7 chord. So you keep the bottom 2 notes and the top 2 will become G and then B. So that's the chords for the chorus. Can't buy me love, love, can't buy me love. Now you're at the verse, and there are 2 chords in the first part of this verse. One is C7, and you may be running into your hands with your right hand with the melody a little bit there. If that happens, just lift your fingers up and play the melody with your right hand. This is a C7, E, G, B flat, and C. Then we go to an F7, which is E flat, F, A, and C. And later on then you're on the G7 chord, which is D, F, G, and B like that. So let me show you the verse here. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it'll make you feel So you'll notice there was a little bit of bumping into it there, but I like playing the melody there. And that's something you need to get used to. Make sure you get the notes in that you need to get in, however you get them in, either the left hand or the right hand. And then we have another chorus then it goes to, or the verse, then it goes to the chorus again. Can't buy me love. Everybody tells me so. So at that point, it's a little bit different. Adds that everybody tells me so. So it's can't buy me love. E minor, A minor. Everybody tells me so. So if you do your F7 like that, you can get your melody in like that. Only have to worry about that melody note on this word so. Can't buy me love. No, no, no. So work on the melody in your right hand first. Work on the chords in your left hand. Make sure that you can play them all. E minor, A minor, D minor, G7, C7, and F7. And once you've got the melody down separately and the chords separately, you can kind of hum the melody and play the chord in your left hand, then slowly put the hands together.